Hey you guys, it is me Laura with Scraps of Encouragement, and today I am here with you for another simple stamping Monday. Today we are going to be using the En Rute stamp set, and we are going to be making a card for our card drive this month for Cards for Hospitalized Kids. This card could really be used for anyone, but I am going to show you just a simple stamping card, and then I'll show you something that I did just to upscale it a little bit. And this month we are actually using 4 ink colors. You could definitely do this with fewer ink colors, but I will be using Night of Navy, and I will be using Granny Apple Green, Mango Melody, and Pool Party for our stamping today. And I am, as usual, doing my stamping on a 3.5 by 5 inch note card, and these come in a pack of note cards and envelopes, and I will have all that information for you below. So to start with, I am using this stamp right here from the stamp set. It says, "You never cease to amaze me." So I am going to ink that up with my Night of Navy, and I want to make sure that my stamp is covered very well, and I am going to do my best to get this straight and centered. And if it's not 100% perfect, it's okay, because all the stamping that we're going to do on here, it's actually pretty good, is going to kind of make it so that it doesn't matter so much. Okay, so now I have chosen some of these little icons. I've chosen a car and the boat and the airplane and the bike and the train, and I am going to use all of my other colors. I'm actually going to go ahead and close the Night of Navy. That's all I need for that one, and I am just going to have fun stamping all around. Now I also have here close by, I have my my chamois. Ooh, that was fun, so that I can clean off my stamps as I go from one color to the next. So I've got that ready to go. Let's start with our airplane. That is my simple stamping card for you today. That's it, easy as pie. So you can totally just stamp all around. Another thing that you could do, if you wanted to, you could cut this out and pop it up and just stamp the whole page, and then that would cover whatever is in the middle. Another option you can do is you can take a 3.5 by 5 inch piece of paper and stamp it, and then when you're done, you can do, I mounted a 1/8 inch border on Night of Navy paper and put it on my Mango Melody card base. So you have lots and lots of options here. You could change up the colors, you could do more colors, you could do less colors. This is such a fun card, and I hope that it will bring children smiles for Cards for Hospitalized Kids. And if you would like to join in our card drive, we're working to get 100 cards together for Cards for Hospitalized Kids. Let me know in the comments below, or go to my Facebook page or my blog on my website at scrapsoфencouragement.com. Either place you'll find more information on our card drive and how to get started. And I hope that you find joy in creating as you spread kindness and encouragement with your scraps of paper. Talk to you later. Bye.